My name is Tiffany Engel, and I have chosen a stocking to put all my items in. I chose a stocking because Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's the one time that's set aside to remind us that families and friends are the most important things to us, not the busy daily chores we have going on. Inside of my stocking, I put a picture of my girls. I did this because my girls are my world. Anytime I think that something is too hard or I can't do it, I think of them and they give me the strength that I need to do whatever task is at hand. I also put a picture of my husband Alan in there. I did this because my husband supports me no matter what I do, even if he thinks what I'm doing is the craziest thing in the world. He's there for me. I put in an application for the nursing program. I did this because I knew I always wanted to go into a career where I could help people on a daily basis. I just never thought this goal would be possible, and now I know it is. I put in my marriage license because I enjoy being a wife. My husband and I have had many separations and we've gone through many trials, but we've always made it back to each other because I believe love is the most powerful emotion of all. I have also put in as my last item the Holy Bible. I put this in because faith is a big part of my life. I believe in heaven and hell, and I believe that this is what gives people today's society the strength to do what needs to be done in order to help make the world a better place. I've chosen all these items because all of them make up exactly who I am today. Without any of them, I would only be a fraction of the person you see standing before you. So I hope you have enjoyed my speech, and I look forward to hearing your feedback.